take a look at this home that's getting ready to come on the market. It is actually 11 acres of property out on the Paint Rock River, 530 feet of riverfront, has a detached garage up here with a little studio over top. The studio has electricity. And this house is a little over 3,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. Just a beautiful property on the Paint Rock River. This is the river facing view of this property. It has a metal roof. The siding is in really good condition. It has new deck railing. It's really pretty. Lots of windows across the back for great property and water views. The water is up a little high today, but it is gorgeous out here today. And the cicadas are singing us a song. As you come in the foyer, it's a really nice, open, big foyer. Really nice laminated flooring through this area. Crown mold, chair rail. Over this direction, you have a little wet bar and wine closet. There's the dining room and living area, but I want you to see this really nice office. This is great if you are working at home. And back to the dining room, living room, vaulted ceiling, windows all across the back, ceiling fans, fireplace. This is really a great room. Okay, coming in to this kitchen area. This is fabulous. Just imagine having your morning coffee right out here. It has a sitting area, a place for a breakfast table. There's a full guest bath, a desk area, glass cabinets, display cabinet, a beverage fridge. There are 2 dishwashers in this kitchen. 2 dishwashers. There's the other one over there. There's 2 sinks. We have this sink and this sink. And there are 2 cooking areas. This is an electric cooktop, microwave, and this is a gas oven cooktop combo. Open shelving, and there is a pantry. Here we have the primary bedroom. Has a ceiling fan, crown molding, wood flooring, a nice little sitting area where you can see your water view from here. Great little reading area. And this is the primary bath. Has crown molding, tile floor, garden tub. It has 2 sinks. It has its own separate shower. Linen closet there. And there is a walk-in closet. And there is a safe that will convey. This area goes back into the laundry room, another bathroom, and there are 2 bedrooms over here. So here's the laundry room. It's a really large laundry room. It has lots of shelving. Here is the bathroom for these 2 bedrooms. There's tile floor, sink. You can put your choice of mirror and light there. The owner has not completely finished this bathroom. You can finish it like you want it so that the buyer can pick their own paint colors. Really lots of room in here. There's room, you could put a cabinet here, anything you want to do. There's a little linen closet area there. It's really a big secondary bathroom. I have the laminated floor back here in this hallway. This is bedroom number 2. It's the laminated flooring. It has a walk-in closet. This is bedroom number 3. Laminated flooring here. Front yard view here. It's really pretty. It's a beautiful day today. It has crown mold in here. And it also has a walk-in closet. So there are walk-in closets in each of the 3 bedrooms. And I want to go back right quick so you can see this living area again. And as we're walking back in here, you can see what a great view you have from this living area. Just looks straight down at the water and the property, the riverfront. All of these windows look out over the deck. It's just really beautiful. So I'm Karen with Remax Alliance, and I'd love to show you this house. Give me a call for more information. My number is 256-226-5062.